Okay, we're back. Hi, Roscoe. Hi, Willie. As you can clearly see, it's night now. And this is honestly terrifying. I don't like storms. Yeah, it's raining. And there go the ducks. Okay. Oh. Did you just see that amount of lightning and thunder? I don't like this. Is it safe to be outside right now? Okay. So, it's raining. It's very bad. It's kind of scary. I don't like this at all. But I'll be all right. Hopefully. No. Bro. This is terrifying, and that's only one spot. It's all over the place. I told you I'd get cornered in the last video. It's now like 10:31. And the rain picked up, and the thunder, as you can see, lightning is in there, and then faintly I hear thunder. So I'm terrified, but this is honestly kind of soothing, just being in the middle of a thunderstorm. So welcome to the thunderstorm. Oh wow. I don't like this anymore, but it's so calming out here too. Well, it's great. We're getting rain. I don't even think we watered our blackberries. Oh. This is scary, kind of. Okay. So, everybody, welcome to the thunderstorm. Like the video's titled the last time. This is a thunderstorm encounter. But this time I made it home, but it's still going on and I don't like it. I might go out this gate and stand on the front porch and video. Or I can just stand right here and see. Look at that. Yeah, it's lighting up everywhere. Hi, Sissy. Hi, Sissy. Wait, is that Roscoe? Hey, Roscoe, not Sissy. Okay. For some reason, I'm comfortable out here. Anyways, bye.